Hey, it's Dr. Colorado, Integrative Healthcare Solutions. I'm with Sam, our chiropractic assistant, and I'm going to show two low back adjustments and also a stretch to do in the morning or in the evening before you go to sleep that allow you to wake up feeling good, nice and refreshed. A lot of people at night have a lot of low back pain. They have pain in the hips, and this causes them trouble finding that comfortable position. So I'm going to demonstrate two adjustments to the sacroiliac joint. We've already done an examination on Sam. We've already done x-rays. We know exactly your problem area, so we're going to get her adjusted. We're going to do a low back adjustment, a sacroiliac adjustment, as well as a hip adjustment, and then I'm going to teach you guys that stretch. So Sam, I'll have you on your side facing me. I'm going to have this back leg straight. I'm going to have this leg bent. I'm going to have your arms crossed. I'm going to have this right here. I'm going to roll you. You're going to feel that tension. This is a sacroiliac adjustment. There we go. That was a good one. Let's have you on your other side. We're going to adjust the sacroiliac joint this one. This right here. I'm going to roll like this. Apply some pressure. There we go. That was a good one. On your back, Sam. And then we're going to do a hip distraction adjustment. We're going to traction out the hips just like this. Internally rotate. That was a good one. And traction out those hips. There we go. And then we're going to demonstrate that stretch. Really good to do first thing in the morning or also in the evening to loosen up that low back. Sam's going to bring her knees up. She's going to do what's called the wig wag. She's going to go back and forth. She's going to do this about 5 times each side or 10 times total. And when you're lying on your bed and have a larger surface, this is going to be a lot easier. So that's 2 adjustments for the low back as well as that stretch. It's going to benefit you, loosen up those hips, and allow those parasympathetics to relax so you wake up feeling a lot more refreshed. So this is Dr. Coltreiter, Integrative Healthcare Solutions. Have a great day.